Introducing the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. This Terrain comes in black on black with the 2-liter turbo engine and the automatic transmission. There's your dual exhaust. And there's your Denali grille. And this Terrain has 19-inch aluminum wheels, along with the Denali Premium package, which includes ventilated seats, rear heated seats, automatic parking assistance, as well as adaptive cruise control. We're going to come back to the interior here in a minute. And there are the heated seats. And then down there you've got your 3-prong plug-in for any laptop chargers or anything like that. Got ample cargo space there. Gonna test out the rear seat. So I am 6'2", and the seat adjusted in front of me is for myself. So you can fit somebody who's 6'2" comfortably in the front. And then in the back, you've got, quite a bit of room. Probably could use a little more, but I can fit back here. We've also got keyless entry on all 4 doors. You've got a power passenger seat with power lumbar support. Bose sound system. And then with the Terrains, this Terrain, you also have the electronic parking brake, so you don't have to push on that pedal. There's your navigation system. You've also got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, your Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth audio, AM, FM, and XM radio. And then you've also got the upgraded backup camera. So if you've got a trailer or something like that, you've got that view. 360, your sides. So a lot of different options there. It's your dual zone climate control. Push button transmission shifter. And then there are the buttons for your front and rear parking sensors, And then you've got the automatic parking control right there. You just press that, find a spot, and then go ahead and the car will find and start turning the wheel for you, so you can park perfectly. Then you've got your heated and cooled seat controls here, lane keep assist. And there's a beautiful panoramic sunroof. For collision alert, heated steering wheel controls. Here's your push button start. And that's basically it. A quick walk around of the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali.